I don't know where it was going, possibly Stickford. Ha! No, that was possibly the Smiley Face Express to God knows where. And there goes the 323. Oh no, 325, sorry. Stupid. I am stupid. I think I should be sold. I'm the basically worst train spotter ever. Even though I was in my cousin's stream earlier and someone basically said that I'm obviously the best YouTuber of the year, maybe it was just a joke. Bloody hell. That is stupid, isn't it? So what do we have coming? Didn't know we had another train coming. Oh, here we go. I thought there was 2 trains, but there isn't. Oh no, it's the Pacer. Oh no. Please don't be the Pacers. The stupid Pacers, I don't like them. Please don't be a Pacer. If it's a Pacer, then I'm dying. Oh no! Please don't pollute me. Oh dear. Oh no. My ungrateful train, isn't it? Stupid Pacers, you know, I don't like them. But I respect your opinions. The annoying Pacers. Looks like we have another one coming in. Let me get over to the level crossing. There's a funny way you can actually zoom in. Oh, sorry about that. And if you do want to chat with me in a server, well, unfortunately you can't because my enter on my current keyboard is broken. So I can't say anything, but just emoji. Shooting! Bloody hell! I'm shooting very fast. Here comes the Pacer. Here it goes. We're gonna leave, hopefully. Come on, are you ever gonna depart? Right, so he's basically not moving. Whilst he broke down. It's broken down. Guys, I think we have a breakdown here. He's departing. Finally. And he's on the left. And he never blew the horn when there's a W sign now. Sorry, I'm on a roof. The most hilarious thing you would ever see is me on a roof of a bloody station.